Good morning. This is Kashif Moghul from Cash Data Consulting LLC. Today, our topic is how to get more Google reviews in 2025. This is part 7B. So, this is the second part of our video series that we've been doing on Google Business Profile. Today, we are going to focus on reviews. All right, Cash. So, what's the agenda? Well, as you recall, part A, we covered 5 different ways to get more reviews. In case you missed it, by the way, you can go back and look at it. But number one is you need to ask your clients and customer for reviews. Ask and you shall receive. Number two, you should really put the Google Business Profile on your website. Make it super simple for your clients. Then we covered 2 different methods in social media, 3 and 4. What were they? They were essentially you're going to put the link to your Google review on social media. It could be Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, whatever you do. And the fourth one was you take a Google review, you make it an infographic, and then you put the infographic on the social media. And number 5 was really how to just provide good service and encourage your associates to leave reviews. Or associates to ask customers to leave reviews. All right, so one tip I did forget last time was if your business has a visual product or service, so let's say you're a photographer or you do clothing or weddings, food, whatever, really ask people to leave a review with an image, okay, with a photo. We can look at one of our photography clients and then we will jump into new methods. So if I go to my listings, which remember it's business.google.com, you go there. Whoa, 31 businesses. People keep coming. But let's say down here, here's the client I'm talking about, Headshot Headquarters. They're based in Denton, Texas, not too far from Plano. So if I go to their reviews, and she's doing an amazing job. If you need headshots, go definitely check them out. But if I go down the list here, you will notice that she's not doing it all the time, but here you go. Okay, so John and Shauna, they left. What a great experience with Murray, blah, blah, blah. And then they left pictures. Most likely, it looks like their son or somebody, maybe high school senior. So that's the idea, right? The idea is to ask clients to leave a photo and image. So, all right, Cash, that's good. Good to know. What are we going to do today? We're going to cover 5 new methods. You ready? So number one is do email marketing. Okay. This is a good one. It does work. You can either do it manually or you can use automation like MailChimp, Constant Contact. There's many ways you can do that. I'm going to be adding this, by the way, to the description, this document that I'm going to show you. And if you have any questions or comments, maybe you're using different ways to generate Google review, please leave that. We would love to know more about that. But if I go back here, let me find this document. So if I go to my clients, I was working on this with one the other day. Um, so this is an allergy practice. But if I go here to social, and here's what I'm talking about. Okay, so let's take a look at this document first. This is a generic email. You could tweak it like, hey client, hey customer, we would love your opinion and love to hear from you, blah, blah, blah. This you need to do that right after you provide the product and service. You talk about how to get there. You can ideally want to add link to your Google listing. It's the easiest thing for them to find out. You can add an image of your website or your listing. And then this is an important part, right? Give them a sample review. I suffered from seasonal allergies. This is an allergy clinic in Denton, blah, blah, blah. And then, so this is a sample email. Basically, this is just FYI for the client, but what do you need to do? You need to essentially make a list of people, okay? Send it to 1/3 of them, this email or your sample email, and then wait for 3 months. Because remember, you don't want to get too many reviews in a hurry. You want to stagger them, okay? That's what we want. We want this effort to be an ongoing method. So like I said, I'll put that email in the description. You can check it out. What's another one? Okay. Um, Here's another one. You can add the Google review link in your invoice. If you send an invoice, if you send a follow-up email, if you have an email signature, you should really be doing that. And one of our, I was having issues with our garage. So Let me see if I can find this email. This is Ideal Garage Door, based right here, not too far from us. Let me see if I can find that email. Here you go. So this is, they sent an email. I mean, they did the work. Great job. His name's Patrick. If you want to get hold of him, but there you go. See, it says, please rate your service with Ideal Garage Door. They give you a straight link, and then I already did this. But if you look, you can actually, it takes you to the review. Okay. And this is exactly what you want to do. You want to have a follow-up interaction with the client. Ideally, very close to when you provide the service, because as you know, life happens, people forget. All right, let's move on to the third tip. It says use paper options. Wait, what? I thought newspapers and magazines are dead, Cash. Is that not true? Yes, they are dead. Well, they're slowly dying, but we can still use them. And you realize some of the other generations, they're not tech savvy like you and I are. Okay, we won't say which generations, but here you go. Where's that link? So this is a good article from WordStream on how to get more reviews. But this one, number 7, it says create, leave us a review card. Okay, what can you do? You can, after the service, you can send a thank you card in the mail. You can send them a postcard. And look at that, it's super simple. Here you go. How was your visit? Your feedback is important, blah, blah, blah. They add a review, they put their number in there, they say thank you, boom. Okay. Some people love to get cards, and even if it's not a love letter, it's appreciated. All right, number 4, let's talk about this one. It says create a social media slash Google review flyer in a PDF format, print it and share it. I don't know what that means, Cash. Or I'm going to show it to you. This actually tends to work very well with our clients. We have been doing this for a couple of years. So where do I find that? I thought I had it up here somewhere. There you go. So Kids Pediatric Dentistry, one of our clients. What did we do for them? We made it super simple. Okay. This is a little bit older flyers. You can see it says Twitter instead of X, but make it simple, right? You know, do you have a Facebook account? Yes. Sign into Facebook. Okay. Search for Kids Pediatric Dentistry. All right. What do I do? Click on recommendation. I mean, it's a simple click here, do this, do that. Because ideally, I mean, you know that people get lost. They just click in here, they click in there, they don't know where they are. This is just really, for the lack of a better word, you're dumbing it down for your clients, okay? And if you need help with some of these flyers, we would love to work with you. It's not super hard for our graphic designer to do that. And then the last method, number 5, really is it has 18 subparts, okay? So you're not just getting 5, you're getting 5 plus 18, 23 now, okay? And big thanks to Hatch, which is another company that they wrote a great article. So let me find it. In fact, where is it? Here you go. So here's the link. It's from Hatch, usehatchapp.com. I'm not sure who they are, but this is a recap. These are 18 ways to get more reviews, okay? Um, and I've highlighted some of them that tend to work a lot better than the other ones. They all work, but generate a QR code, put it on your business card, put it on your email signature. Then this one, like we have mentioned in the part 1, you need to display your review in social media on your website. This is a great idea to, if a person is not on Google Maps, this is a good way for them to, oh, okay, Cash does a pretty good job on online marketing. And then, of course, a lot of people don't realize this. You should be responding to reviews, even the bad ones, right? Hey, I'm sorry what happened. Can we make it right? Apologize. There's no point in engaging in an online feud. So these are the 18 reviews. Again, I will put this in the link below. This link to this document in the description. But I believe that's a wrap up. So last thing, we're here. We do online marketing. We do search engine ads, Facebook, social media, ChatGPT, all of the above. This month, we're doing a special. You ready? Once in a lifetime, okay? It's 50% off of Google Business Profile Services down here. When you do contact us, please use the code GBP50. All right? Thank you for your time. You all have a great Sunday.